how to refresh quick add-on Snapchat. So first of all, just go ahead and into your App Store or Google Play, and from here click on your avatar icon at the top right, and from there just go ahead to the apps. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and start looking for Snapchat. Double check if the app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Just open up the Snapchat right here, and what you're gonna do next, you're gonna see right here, I'm gonna just click on my Bitmoji at the top left, and from here I'm gonna just go ahead and scroll a little bit down and just go ahead and click add friends. Right in the add friends, I'm gonna just go ahead and see right here I have friends and everything, and if I want to refresh, let's for example I didn't like that person, so I'm gonna just go ahead and click cancel that person. So what I'm gonna do in order to refresh, I'm gonna just simply drag the screen up, or sorry, down, so you can refresh and see the people that you can add onto your Snapchat. So simply as that, you can just do it right away. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.